Real Simple, where I, Jenessa Turbes, simplify all things real estate. Today is one of my favorite days. So you are buying a house with me and we got clear to close. What does that even mean? It means that the lender has been in touch with both of us and let us know that you are good to close on the loan, that all of your paperwork is in order, underwriting has come through, we've met all of the conditions, the appraisal is done, and you have clear to close. That means that you are good to close on the house and your loan. So congratulations. Those are my favorite words to hear. So what does that mean now? So we already have closing day scheduled. So the day of closing or the day before, we will do your final walkthrough of the house. So we will go through, make sure that the house is left in the condition it was in when we went under contract, so that basically when they moved all their items out, all their staging items out, that like no holes were left on the wall, no new stains, the paint is all how it was, everything like that. So we're going through to make sure that that is all in order, as well as for the inspection items that we can physically check. We will check on all of those inspection items to make sure that those repairs are done. So once we do that final walkthrough, then we will head, if it's the same day, we'll head to the title company together and we will sit down at the closing table. So unless I am like on vacation or out of town or something, I will always be at closing with you. It's just one of my favorite moments. The closer does a great job of explaining everything that you're signing, but I like to be there just as kind of an extra little buffer in case you need it. And if we run into any issues for whatever reason, then I'm kind of there to help problem solve and work all of that out. And of course, if I need to like contact the lender when I'm there, if something's weird with the loan or whatever, I'm just there kind of as moral support, but to help out if needed. Closing will take anywhere from like 30 minutes to an hour. If you're closing with a loan, it's a big stack of paper that you have to sign for the lender, and then we'll do like all of the real estate closing docs that the title company kind of puts together. Once everything is signed, then the title company will send all the lender forms to the lender, and then the lender will give it basically like a stamp of approval, release funding, and once funding is released, then the house is yours. What you'll need to bring to closing day is your ID and your funds. So if you wired the funds, or if you are wiring the funds, that needs to be done at least 24 hours in advance. If you can help it, I would at least do it 2 days. I mean, wires are usually much, much faster than they say, but you just don't want to run into any issues. But at least 24 hours in advance, your down payment and closing fees, the figure that the lender gave you, as well as I gave it to you in your settlement statement, those numbers match. That's the number that you need to bring to closing in order to close on the house. So you're either wiring the funds in 24 hours in advance, or you're bringing a cashier's check. Those are your two options. It has to be a certified cashier's check. So you'll bring that in your ID to closing and your hands. And just make sure you do some little hand exercises that morning, because you'll be doing a lot of signatures and dates. So that's kind of what closing day looks like. And again, once we are closed, as long as the sellers have already signed, then the home is yours once we are done signing and once the loan is funded. So congratulations. So excited that you made it this far, and let's take that final step to get you into your new house. I'll see you soon.